Hello amazing people, welcome to another Python tutorial series, and in today's episode we'll be creating just the color channels. Typically the RGB, there's a red, green, blue color channels. We'll try to deduce that from the image and then just visualize it. So I'll be making use of the NumPy, the Matplotlib packages. So first we import NumPy, we import Matplotlib, the pyplot and then also import the image component from the Matplotlib. And with the npimg, that's the image component of Matplotlib, we read our image file, in this case, which is the .png file. And then of course, once we read this image file, if I type in here image.shape, notice it has the number of grid boxes. That's the, let's say, x by y, and then these four. The four represents the layers. So the first layer is the red, the second green, the third blue, and then the final one being the outline. In this case, there's a map, so the outline of the map. So I read the first one. So by transposing this, I actually can call the 0, which will be the first position. So image.t0 is the red, 1 the green, and then 2 the blue, and then the final one being the of course the outline. So once I do that, I just visualize. And by visualizing that, you notice the only thing we are doing in here is we create our figure and then we just set which subplot to plot in, and then just plot the image using the imshow. That's all. And of course, if I need a contour line, then I just can show the contours and just give the relative titles. Yeah, so with this, you're able to just split your images into the red, green, and then blue components, and that's it. I hope you had a wonderful time following through. If you have any questions, get to us and then we'll be able to help you out. Thank you.